we'd have to go through. Now here we are, and I'm suddenly standing at the beginning with you.
No one told me I was going to find you. Unexpected, what you did to my heart. When I lost hope, you were there to remind me this is the start. Life is a road and I wanna keep going. Life is a river I wanna keep flowing. Life is a road now and forever, wonderful journey. I'll be there when the world stops turning. I'll be there when the storm is through. In the end I wanna be standing at the beginning with you.
We were strangers on a crazy adventure.
Never dreaming how our dreams would come true. Now here we stand, unafraid of the future. At the beginning with you. Life is a road and I wanna keep going. Love is a river I wanna keep flowing. Life is a road now and forever, wonderful journey. I'll be there when the world stops turning. I'll be there when the storm is through. In the end I wanna be standing at the beginning with you. Knew there was somebody somewhere. Had me locked in the dark. Now I know my dream will live on. I've been waiting so long. Nothing's gonna tear us apart. Life is a road now and forever, wonderful journey. I'll be there when the world stops turning. I'll be there when the storm is through. In the end I wanna be standing at the beginning with you.
Happy birthday! Wish ko. Sana lumaki ka pa ng maigi. Bye! God bless! Happy birthday! Stay sweet as you are, and then God bless. So 1 year lang tayo nagkasama, then 1 sem. I know, mabait ka, and God bless sobra. I'm speechless.
Hi, Kim. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. God bless.
Team Nelo, hindi man tayo masyado naging dun sa times na nagkasama tayo, parang penetration ko na yun para sa sarili ko, at saka ayun, God bless, happy birthday. Thank you.
Hi, Kim. Happy birthday. God bless. Nakakamiss yung mga kakulitan mo at kadantain na yan. Yun lang, God bless.
Happy birthday! Sana mag-enjoy ka ng birthday mo. Sana kahit paano napasaya ka namin dahil binati ka namin. Kasi sino nang request mo eh, diba? So happy birthday! Invite mo kami ha. Saan ba yan? Birthday. Babo!
Hi, Be! Happy birthday! Sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. And I wish you all the best. Miss you, love you, Mama. Ito nga pala yung gift ko and wish ko for you all the time. Happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Hi, Be! Happy birthday! Sana mas magtagal yung friendship natin. Tsaka, nandito na ako lagi. Pasensya na sa mga lakad na hindi natutuloy, Medyo tinatamad ako ngayon, Ayun, ingat lang lagi. Tsaka, nandito lang ako. Ayun.
Hello! Happy birthday! This is a surprise from Brendan. Nakikita pa kami para lang shooting sa video na to. Then, ang wish ko lang sa birthday mo, pagsasama sa kasabor, sana okay yung relationship mo, love you, love life mo, okay, dapat, sana maging okay yung family mo, saka yung health mo, then, parang showbiz tandaan na love kita kahit hindi tayo nagkikita. Kasi lagi treasure yung every moment na magkasama tayo dalawa. Alam mo naman napakadami natin pinagsamahan, saka problema na pinag-sharean. Lahat na lang napag-usapan natin. Then yung tara naman nung sinundan mo ako, nung nag-pop out ako, yun talaga yung pinaka-touching sa akin. Natouch talaga ako. That's why I really, really love it. Happy birthday and wish all of you. Love you. Alam mo bang napaka-special mo? Yung birthday ko, regalo niyo sa akin. Lalaki ko, may crush ko, tsaka bouquet. Tapos ikaw sa'yo, super video, super effort pa siya. Yun lang, love you!
earthquakes, and other natural disasters. Because the EU has taken
Hi team! Happy birthday! Hindi niya kaya.
Hi, Tim!
Sabi ko na yung apple.
Nakakaya naman.
Stop mo na ulol yung birthday. Okay.
Happy birthday.
Kaya mo.
Pabol pa rin.
Okay. Hi Day! Happy birthday! Ingat ka lang lagi. Tsaka sana mas tumagal yung friendship natin. Ayun. God bless.
So they try to shoot me. Females be stuck to me. I think they try to glue me. All the shine
Teach me how to duck, duck. Teach me how to duck.
Hi Teen! Kamusta ka na? Sana magkita tayo soon. Sana lagi mong panoorin ang Meet Tayo Gigi. Mag-ingat ka parate. God bless you. And I love you. Mwah.